slime. So yeah. Let's just straight on into the video. Yo! So guys, we have a bunch of buckets here, and some of them have water and some of them have glue. We want to get the most glue we can. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. So let's get started. We're gonna just rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first. So let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang. Yes.
I choose this one.
What is it?
I don't know. Let's see. Can't open it.
It's okay, but all the waters have glitter in them, and you know, it's honestly, it's not that bad they get water. You know, you gotta get a little glitter.
Yeah, I guess.
You got the pretty one.
Yeah.
Well, they're all pretty, but this one looks really cool. Looks like Valentine's Day.
Ooh.
Alright guys, it's my turn now. I don't know what to do. Okay, just gonna, this one, I like this one. Oh, it's water!
And it's also Valentine's color.
Yeah.
This makes me excited for Valentine's Day. Can I help you?
There you go. All right. Okay, I got pigment. This is actually like yes. I'm happy about this because it's the pigment one and it looks so pretty.
It's my turn now, and I choose.
There's gonna be a lot of glitter in this video, so I am excited.
Let's just this one. Now I know I should. Yes! Yes, yes, yes.
Ooh, that matches with your glitter.
Okay, this is making me super excited for Valentine's Day.
Okay, my turn. I choose this one. Uh-oh. I got green. That's not gonna go well. I got the only green one here.
You show set, Ameerah.
Why did I do that? It's glue though. Hopefully it doesn't look bad. At least I have some pigment. When pigment is in a slime, there's nothing can go wrong, guys. It's always beautiful because even if it turns brown, it's a pigment brown and it's beautiful.
All right, I choose this one. Gold. Stop staring at me with that camera. Yes.
That one's so pretty. Why do you always get all the good ones? Okay, my turn. I choose this one because it has like silver glitter and it looks really pretty.
That's pretty.
It's glue, yes. Oh my gosh, perfect. This is gonna be beautiful. I'm making a potion.
I choose this one. Ah, it's water.
But it's glittery water.
Oh, maybe I can wash my hands with that. It's pretty though.
That one's so pretty.
Ooh, there's more glitter over
It has
there.
so much glitter in it. All right, my turn. I choose this one right here. Let's see. Ah, it's water. But it's golden pigment.
Oh, that's
yes. Just gonna mix that real quick. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Mine is gonna be spectacular.
And mine's gonna be valentacular.
Oh, I don't think that works.
My turn, my turn, my turn. I choose this one. It's water again.
Oh, but you got the iridescent
is so pretty.
What did I just say? I said iridescent.
Yeah. Look at that. It's so pretty. Mine's gonna be gorgeous.
Mine's gonna be gorgeous. Golden pigment.
Mine's gonna be gorgeous.
My turn. I choose. What would go with my color? I have yellow.
That looks pretty.
Red. I'm gonna go with this one right here. It seems pretty. All right.
I'm doing ASMR.
Oh, it's water. But it's really pretty. Wow, Mom. Oh my gosh, that one has so much glitter. It has a whole chunk of glitter.
Yeah, this looks weird. Look, Ameerah.
Why? Looks pretty.
It looks, I know.
Oh,
pretty weird.
Yeah, I like it. Okay.
It's my turn. And I'm choosing pink again. Well, that purple one's pretty too. It's so pretty and it's glue.
Okay guys, these are gonna be some beautiful slimes.
Yep.
Beautiful. My turn, I choose this one right here. It's blue and it looks really cool. Oh, it's glue, yes. Yes, so beautiful.
My turn. I want this one. Purple. It's glue.
Mine kind of looks like it has a river in it.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my gosh, yours looks so cool. It looks like a unicorn planet or something, I don't know. Okay, my turn. I choose this one. It looks really pretty.
I wanted that one.
It's so glittery. Ah, it's water. Look at how much glitter's in it, guys. This one's basically like gold, I'm gonna guess.
That's pretty. All right, my turn. I choose this one. Oh, it's water.
But it's pigmented water. It's a little dark.
Yeah. It's still pretty, look.
Yeah. Okay, my turn. I choose. We have 2 more choices. We have this blue one and this black one. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the blue one because the black one always dyes everything black. Oh, it's so pretty. It's glue. Yes.
It's so pretty.
All right, guys. I am excited for once for one of my slimes.
That was so pretty.
Well, actually, I'm always excited, but they always turn weird.
You're always excited.
Okay, there's one more bucket, but if you take it, it's just gonna be uneven, so let's just throw that one away.
Oh, okay, I get it. Okay.
All right, now it's time to make these slimes, so we gotta mix it.
Yay! I'm super excited. I'll wait for you.
All right, let's mix it. Can we get some close-ups because it's gonna be beautiful. I go first.
I go second.
You always do that. Not fair. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's turning green. It looks so cool. It's good. It's like Tinkerbell. That's what it reminds me of. This is beautiful. I'm so excited for this to activate it. Let's keep mixing. Okay, well, I guess that's mine, guys. It looks fantastic. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to activate this, guys.
My turn. What color do you think it's gonna turn? Oh my goodness.
I think it's gonna become like a maroon red, but it's gonna be like a red velvet. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cool.
Oh, look at that. Right there. Look at that, Ameerah. That is so pretty.
Yours has so much glitter.
Look at that. All right. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, Ameerah, seriously, look at this one. It's so pretty.
Yours looks like a jackpot. Okay, guys, that's time to activate.
It's my turn.
No, my turn. Alrighty, here you go, Mom.
My turn.
Oh, this looks so pretty already.
Okay, this is amazing. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, I'm really in love with this one.
This is gorgeous. This is a masterpiece, guys.
This is a sparkle piece.
Whoopsies.
Thank you. I think this needs more.
You need to mix it. It's jiggly slime, so it needs to be mixed a lot. Okay, I think we're done now. Let's do some ASMR. So, I go first, I guess.
I go second.
All right. Okay, so here's our slime. It's very nice and glittery. It's got some pigment in it, not a lot. But I like it a lot. It's like super jiggly, super nice and glittery. Like, this is beautiful. You guys, comment down below, hashtag Team Ameerah.
All right, this is my slime. Super sparkly.
Seems like you overactivated your...
No.
Oh, this one's much better. I vote Team Jetta.
Yeah, me too. It's so nice. It's not sticky at all. I have some green in here from someone.
Oh, sorry.
So yeah, it's really nice and super glittery and a little bit overactivated. Maybe no. It's really nice. Look.
Look at mine. I wonder who won. Like, who got the most glue? I don't remember. Oh, yours is thick. I think she got the most glue. Mine's really nice. It is slightly sticky though, I will admit that.
This one's a little bit slightly activated. I will admit that.
Is there any more activator in this?
No, I think I took it all.
Actually, no, you had it from the gallon.
Oh, okay. Look at that. It's just, oh. But it's fun to play with. Just some Pocolos. I haven't heard you say Pocolos for a while, Ameerah.
I always say Pocolos.
I haven't heard you. Does she?
I don't know.
I don't remember. Not lately, at least.
Nope. I always say it. My handwork.
Okay, well, let's Pocolo.
I say Pocolos, clickies, clicks, cracklackles, pops. Ready for a slime facial? Does my skin look better?
It looks amazing now. And it only took like, what, a second?
Yeah, it's crazy. And you get to play with the slime afterwards. This looks so pretty.
This one too. Okay, somebody help my slime.
You could put some hair gel or some vinegar in it.
Ooh, hair gel.
3 hours later.
Okay, so Mom fixed her slime. She put some vinegar in it and now it's nice and stretchy. And I activated mine and it's less stretchy, so yeah.
Oh, really?
But it is a lot less sticky.
Much better.
Yes, very, very good.
And I can actually
She can actually stretch it now.
stretch mine now. It's pretty cool.
I can still stretch mine. Mine's pretty good.
Yours is nice.
Thank you. It's so pretty. I love it. me see. Let's switch slimes really quick. Oh.
Okay, I like yours more.
Hers is so thick. I think she got more glue than me, guys.
I still like yours more.
Really?
Yes, look at that. So nice. But yeah, that one feels thicker.
Ta-da! Made a bubble! Guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like, this one part 2. This was really, really fun. And that was it. We'll see you next time. Bye!